February 1st, 2022, and I'm Stuart Stotts with Song Premiere on Tuesday. Thank you for being here yet again in whatever format and time you are here. It's called After the Music Stops. With her ballet shoes and a pink tutu and Tchaikovsky turned up loud, it's a plie and a pirouette parade. Sheila's leaping all around the living room tonight. She's a whirling dervish diva in second grade. Her parents say it's bedtime 'cause they're about to drop, but Sheila keeps on dancing, whoa, after the music stops. All through high school parties and college escapades, Sheila was always out there on the floor. When the bands and the DJs and the radio went still, she was always ready for some more. Whether it was country, disco, jazz, or pop, Sheila kept on dancing, whoa, after the music stopped. Well, it's in her bones, in her feet, in her heart with an inner beat, connected to the universe, pulsing all around. Sheila's lying quiet in her clinic bed. Her eyelids flutter as the meters beep. She's one step from a moment of flying round the room, and one step from flying off to sleep. Well, to celebrate her memory, her family and friends, they'll just keep on dancing, whoa, after her music ends. After the music ends. Keep on dancing.